Hello everyone and welcome to Stream and Tech Now. Thanks so much for joining me. On today's video, I'm going to show you what Amazon just released at their recent event. They unpacked some new products. There's a bunch of them. I'm going to show you the most popular ones in less than 5 minutes. So sit back and relax and let's get started. So we've got a brand new addition to the Echo line of devices. This is called the Echo Dot with a clock. It basically features a LED display of an alarm clock. It will also allow you to showcase the weather and a countdown timer. Now this is not going to replace the original Dot. This is just going to be a $10 upgrade, so it will run around $59. Next up is Amazon's all-new Echo Studio. It's basically their response to the Google Nest Max and the Apple's HomePod, and it's what audiophiles have been waiting for. It's going to be $200, and it supports 3D audio in Dolby Atmos, and it has 5 drivers, including a 5 1/4 woofer. This thing is going to pack a punch. Amazon's own wireless earbuds are here called the Echo Buds, and they include Boise's active noise reduction technology. They're going to be $129. They provide hands-free access to Alexa. You'll be able to do things like play music, get directions, order an Uber, and more. Now, you can also have 5 hours of music and 4 hours of call time. You'll also be able to access your phone's other assistant like Siri and Google Assistant. Okay, so next up is this interesting looking device that's called the Echo Glow. It's a fun Alexa accessory, and it's basically a nightlight for the kids. It can change color and flash to the different sounds and beats of music, and it's $30, so I don't know if that's going to be too much. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments what you think about this Echo Glow. So one of the more interesting additions at this event was the release of the Echo Flex. So for those of you that think the Echo Dot isn't cheap enough, well, we've got the Echo Flex. So it's going to be $25, and basically it's going to bring Alexa's functionality to spots where the smart assistant otherwise couldn't reach. So they're just basically trying to get Alexa in every single room. So Amazon introduced its beta invite-only hardware devices. One is a pair of $180 Alexa-enabled glasses that stick 4 micro speakers in the frame for hands-free Alexa. The other is a $130 Alexa-enabled smart ring with 2 microphones that puts Alexa on your finger for quick questions or brief calls. So are you in a market for a brand new oven? Well, Amazon has this brand new Alexa powered smart oven, and what they're doing is they're trying to take on the June oven with this $250 combination convection oven, microwave, it's an air fryer, and it's also a food warmer all in one. They're going to pair it with Echo, and you can ask Alexa to do things like preheat the oven, start or stop cooking, and if you buy one of these, they're going to throw in an Echo Dot. So here's an interesting introduction, the Amazon Sidewalk. It's a low bandwidth, long-distance wireless protocol which is designed to connect all of your devices around your home, including places where Bluetooth and Wi-Fi can't reach. The network uses a 900 megahertz spectrum and could allow for things like a connected mailbox, lights, and they're even trying to do a ring fetch, which is going to take your dog tag to the next level and will basically tell you if your dog leaves your yard. So guys, that's a quick sample of some of the popular products that was just released at this Amazon event. One other thing that I wanted to point out was celebrity voices. Samuel L. Jackson has a 99-cent add-on to the Echo devices, and more celebrities are going to follow, but for 99 cents you can have your Echo device sound like Samuel L. Jackson, so that's pretty neat. Now there's some other things as well that were released. I just wasn't able to cover them all in this video. If you are interested in any of these products, I will have links in my description. Some of these products are available right now, and some of them you can go ahead and order, but they won't be available until October sometime. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. If so, don't forget to hit that thumbs up, share this with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you all for joining me today, and I will see you next time on Stream and Tech Now.